Hi guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This will be my first and probably my last because I'm too impatient. As soon as the box comes, I just want to open it and start using my stuff. But it came at 3 o'clock and I couldn't wait for another 2 hours, but I did for your viewing pleasure. So here goes nothing. It's upside down. So I want y'all to take a mental note of how this bag looks right out of the box, and later in this video you'll see why I mention it now. So this is the Mila Tote Saffiano in red, and I wanted to get it a while back. Several months I've been eyeing it. I actually had it in my shopping cart at one point, and it was a really good deal, and I decided that I wasn't going to get it because I had just gotten another purse, and I said, okay, well, I'll just wait. And sure enough, after that, the sale went away, and it took forever to go back on sale. So I don't like to purchase anything full price. It normally retails for about $300. So here she is. I think there's only one other video on YouTube about this bag. It's not the same leather. This is Saffiano, and the other one was a different type of leather. And so let me open her up. Be very careful not to need to cut the place. I think when I pulled that paper out and realized the poor wrapping, it kind of hit me, but I was too concerned about if I would like the purse material. Just looking things over, just making sure she's okay. Now this is the first Saffiano. I was really hesitant about getting the Saffiano because I'm more of a pebble grain or calfskin leather, or even, you know, the Florentine. I just love the leather feel, and I know it's got like a texture protection over the leather, so I was definitely very hesitant to get this type of leather. It's got a little bit of a pinkish red. Let me move the box here for a moment. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so there she is, and she's got the strap. Normally these straps are wrapped up, so I'm thinking this might be Yep, y'all, I got a return. I was so concerned about the type of leather, Saffiano, that I didn't even realize it wasn't wrapped appropriately, and the handles had no plastic around them, and the hardware weren't taped up. So after this video, I immediately Clorox wiped her and took my Dyson vacuum all over her. Okay, so it has the keykeeper. I mean, she doesn't look like she was used or anything like that. Okay, so far, I guess everything looks okay. She's got feet. I decided to keep her after all because I didn't want someone else getting this return. This is why I've always bought my Dooneys at store malls. I've recently been ordering online since retail distributions have dwindled. Alright, well, that's my first unboxing experience, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.